Hi everybody, and once again welcome to Pankaj's Echelon tutorials, and this is the continuation of the previous video in which I had started with matrices and transformation in mathematics. That is chapter number 9 from the David Rayner book and fourth edition. Okay, and I had told you that I'll be making videos in succession, okay, one after other in continuation related to this entire chapter, and it will be like in parts. Okay, so in the first part in the previous video, that is video number 1, I tried to discuss what are the various types of matrices, then what is actually a matrix, what are elements, what are the position of the elements, how to identify the position, what is the order of a matrix, okay, and what are the different types of matrix, that is square matrix, rectangular matrix, column matrix, row matrix, identity matrix, okay, zero matrix. So all this I had discussed in that video. This was just the terminology, this was just the terms that you were supposed to know. Okay, so in continuation of that only, now this is video number 2, and in this video I'm going to, and in the last video I had told you that I'll be discussing about the algebra of matrices. Okay, so today I'm going to start with the algebra of matrices. So what is this algebra of matrices? To be precisely understand this algebra of matrices, I'll be taking some metrics, okay, and I'll note down some metrics for you, and let us see. Yeah, suppose you have matrix A, which is say uh, 2 minus 1, 3 and 4. This is your matrix A. Okay, fine. Now suppose you have another matrix B, which is 0, 5 and 1 and minus 2. Okay, this is your matrix B. Okay, then C is your matrix say 4, 3 and 1 and minus 2. Okay, ABC is done. Okay, now D is a matrix which is 1, 5, 1 and 4 minus 6 and a 1. Okay, this is your D. Your E is uh, 1, 0, minus 1, 1, 2 and 5. Okay, this is your matrix E. Your F matrix is okay, F is a row matrix. Okay, so F matrix is 4 and a 5. Okay, then G is 4, 1 and 3. Okay, this is your matrix G. And then your H matrix is 0, 1, minus 2, and then 3, minus 4 and a 5. Okay, this is H. And then you have, I don't think you have I, but you have J matrix is equal to 3 and 1, and your K matrix is equal to 1 minus 3 and then 0, 1 and then minus 7 and 0. So these are the given matrices A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. I don't know, somehow I is missing, but J and K. These are the matrices given to you. And let me tell you, this is from the exercise 1 of the David Rayner book, from that chapter matrices and transformation. Okay, so I'm already started with the exercise. So in the process of solving these exercise questions, I'll be explaining you the concepts also. Okay, so suppose these are the matrices given to you. Now this matrices you have to take for granted, A to K, and all the questions from 1 to 36 that I'll be doing from now onwards. Okay, for all these questions from 1 to 36, these are the matrices that you will have to consider. Okay, so this is for question number 1 to question number 36. Okay, let me tell you, this is exercise 1 of that David Rayner book. Okay, chapter number 9. Okay, let me write the page number also if you want. It's page number 307. Right, David Rayner 4th edition book. Fine. So now these are the matrices that you have to consider. Now let us try to sort out, let us try to solve the questions. Okay, now question number 1 to 36. So question number 1 is calculate the resultant value of each of the questions where possible. Okay, so now all these questions which are going to follow, okay, you have to find the resultant value of that matrices. Okay, so the first one happens to be a plus b. Okay, now what will be this a plus b? So a plus b means matrix A plus matrix B, right? Now here I am going to teach you how to add, subtract, multiply, etc. as and when the question comes in front of us. Okay, so this is addition of two matrix A and B. Now can you see this? This is that matrix A, and this is matrix A, and this is matrix B. These are the matrices you have to consider. Okay, so they have asked you to find out a plus b. Okay, so what you have to do is, first I will write this matrix, this a plus b in the matrix form. So a plus b in the matrix form will be, now this 1 second. Okay, now this is your matrix A, and it is 2 minus 1 3 and then 4, right, plus matrix b. B is this one. Okay, so it is 0 5 1 and minus 2. Now we are asked to add these two matrices. Okay, now one thing you take it from me. Okay, the addition of any two matrices or subtraction of any two or more than two matrices, okay, is possible only if the order of the matrices are same. You cannot add two or more matrices if their order are different. Okay, so that is one important thing that you should note down. For addition and subtraction, the order of the matrices which you are going to add up or which you are going to subtract, has to be same. So if you see this matrix A ka order is 2 by 2 and matrix B ka order is also 2 by 2, and both the orders are same. And because the order of these two matrices are same, addition is possible. Okay, so now since addition is possible, we can add them. Now how to add and give a resultant of this addition? Okay, so resultant of this addition will be a new matrix, and this, the new matrix will get by adding the corresponding elements. So this 2 and this 0, 2 plus 0, you have to write here 2. Then minus 1 plus 5. Minus 1 plus 5 is a 4. That you have to write here. Then 3 and 1. 3 plus 1 is how much? 4. So you have to write that 4 over here. And then 4 plus minus 2. 4 plus minus 2 is 4 minus 2. That is 2. That 2 you have to write here. So what I did, you have to add the corresponding elements. Corresponding elements means A11 of this matrix and A11 of this matrix. Both you have to add and write it over here. Okay, this is A11 of the resultant matrix. Same way this one is A21, and here the A21 is this. Okay, so this is A21, this is A21 element, so you have to add these two, 3 and 1 4, so that you have to write here A21. Okay, so in short, you have to add the corresponding elements of the two or more matrices to get the resultant of addition. Same way for subtraction, the rules are same. Okay, so addition and subtraction of two matrices I have explained you with this particular example. So this is the answer for the first one. Okay, let us go for the second one. Now question number 2 of this exercise 1 says that you have to add d plus h. Okay, it's a d plus h. Okay, now what is your matrix D and what is your matrix H? Let us see. Now D plus H will be, now here this is D and this is H, so you have to add these two. Okay, this one D, okay, and H. Where is H? This one, okay. These are the two matrices. Now can you see D, the order of this D matrix is 2 by 3, 2 rows and 3 columns, so 2 by 3, and the order of this H matrix is also 2 by 3, 2 rows and 3 columns. So because the rows and columns are same, or in short the order of the two matrices is same, so addition is possible. So D plus H can be found out. So how to find out? So just replace D plus H by the matrix. So D is, now I have my textbook in front of me, so I'm writing down from the textbook. Okay, so it is 151 and 4 minus 6 and 1. I don't have to scroll back and see every time. Okay, plus H matrix is 0, 1 and a minus 2, and it's 3 minus 4 and 5. Okay, so if you want to add these two matrices D and H, you have to first check whether the order is same. This is 2 by 3, this is also 2 by 3. Since the orders are same for both the matrix, so addition is possible. So what will be the answer, or what will be the resultant? The corresponding elements you have to add. So this and this you have to add. 1 plus 0 is 1. Then this and this you have to add. 5 plus 1 is 6. Then this and this. 1 and minus 2 will be minus 1. Then this and this. 4 and 3 will be 7. You have to add. Okay. Minus 6 and minus 4 you have to add. So minus 10. And 1 and 5 you have to add. So answer will be 6. So this is the answer for the second one. Is that correct? Okay. Now let me check the answers before proceeding, because I don't want to check the answers later on. So let us check right now only. So exercise 1 का first का answer according to my book is 2, 4 and 4 and 2, which is correct. And second का answer is 1, 6 minus 1 and 7 minus 10 and 6. Okay, so both are correct, right? Chalo. Let us move on to the third question. Now third question according to my this textbook is it's a J plus F. Okay, J plus F. Now let us first check the compatibility, whether J and F can be added or not. So we'll have to check the order of J and F. Okay, so let us do that quickly. So J matrix is over here. Okay, the order is 2 cross 1. Okay, and J and which one we have to add? J and F. Okay, so J order is this, and F order is, where is this? This is F. Okay. Now here you can see J, the order is 2 by 1, and F, the order is 1 by 2. So the orders are not same. Okay. J and F ka orders are not same. So it will not be possible to add this J and F. So J and F ka answer will be not possible, because the orders of the two matrices J and F are not the same. Okay, so it is not compatible for addition, right? So J plus F ka answer, if I check behind, it's given to me, the answer is given to me as just a dash. Okay, so it's not even written not possible. He has not even given the reason, but there's just a dash. That means it is not compatible, so you cannot find it. Okay, so let us move on to the next one, that is the fourth one. Okay, the fourth one says that B minus C, matrix B minus matrix C, this will be what? So again, going to the B and C in the matrix form. So according to my textbook, the B matrix is 0, 5, 1 and minus 2. This is B, and C is 4, 3, 1 and minus 2. Okay, now first let us check the compatibility. Okay, now this is 2 by 2, this is also 2 by 2, so the order is same for both the matrix, so subtraction is possible. Okay, now since the subtraction is possible, what will be the answer? The resultant will be 0 minus 4 corresponding elements you have to subtract this time. Okay, 0 minus 4 will be minus 4, then 5 minus 3 will be 2, then 1 minus 1 will be 0, and minus 2 minus a minus 2, that is minus 2 plus 2, will be 0. So this has to be the answer. Okay, now let me check the answer behind. And the answer behind for the fourth question is fourth question ka answer is yeah, it's minus 4, 2, 0 and 0. That's correct. Okay, so let us move on to the fifth one. So I hope in the process of explaining this exercise questions, I am also discussing the method of addition and subtraction. So by now you must have been clear about how two matrices are added and subtracted. Okay, so let us move on to the next one, and the next one is fifth one, and fifth one is 2f. Now what is the meaning of this 2f? Okay, 2f means 2 is a scalar quantity. This is multiplied by a matrix f. Okay, now I'll have to check what is matrix f. Okay, so matrix f, according to, you can check it over here also. Okay, so here you have matrix f. Okay, it's this one, right? Can you see that? Yeah, this is that matrix f. So it's a row matrix. Okay, because it consists of a single row. It's a row matrix, and it's 4 comma 5. Okay, or rather 4 5, right? So the row is 4 5. So f matrix is nothing but a 4 and a 5. It consists of a single row 4 and 5, right? Now this is something which is known as scalar multiplication of a matrix. What is this? Scalar. So a scalar quantity you have to multiply by the matrix. Okay. Now scalar multiplication with a matrix means what? This scalar quantity you have to multiply with each and every element of that matrix. Okay. So in this case 2 you will have to multiply by 4. So the answer will be 2 into 4 will be 8. Then again this 2 you will have to multiply with this 5 also. So 2 5s are 10. That's it. So this is the answer for 2f. Okay, this is something known as scalar multiplication with a matrix. Okay, or you can say scalar multiplication of a matrix. See, there are two things: scalar multiplication of a matrix and multiplication of a matrix and a matrix. Okay, so when two matrices are to be multiplied, that is a different method that is done differently. And this is a scalar multiplication of a matrix, where a single scalar you have to multiply with each and every element of that matrix. That will give you a scalar multiplication of a matrix. Okay, so this is the resultant of this. Okay, so 2f will be equal to 8 comma 8 and 10. Okay, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, and no need of checking, I'm sure it is correct. Let us go to the sixth one. Now I'll be a bit faster. Okay, 6 is 3b. So 3b will be, 3 is a scalar quantity, and matrix B is, according to my textbook, okay, it's a 0, 5, and then 1 and minus 2. Now this is also a scalar multiplication of a matrix. So as I told you, you'll have to multiply this 3 with each and every element. So you will get 3 into 0 will be 0, and 3 into 5 will be 15, then 3 into 1 will be 3, and 3 into minus 2 will be minus 6. So this is the answer for that 3b. Is that correct? Then let us come to the seventh one. Now seventh question says that uh, k minus e. It's k minus e. Okay. So what is your k minus e? So in the matrix form, k will be 1 and a minus 3, 0 and a 1, and minus 7 and a 0. This is k minus e. E matrix is 1 0, then minus 1 1, and then 2 and 5. Okay, now this is subtraction of two matrices. Okay, now for subtraction you will have to first check whether it is compatible or not. Now this is 3 by 2 matrix, 3 rows and 2 columns. This is also 3 by 2 matrix, 3 rows and 2 columns. Okay, so the order of both the matrices is same, and because the order is same, the resultant matrix, the subtraction is possible. And what will be the answer? This one minus this one. This now the operation is minus. Okay, so 1 minus 1 is 0, and minus 3 minus 0 is minus 3. Then 0 minus a minus 1 will be plus 1. Then 0 minus 1 will be minus 1. And then this is minus 7 minus 2 will be minus 9. And this is minus 7 minus 5 will be minus 12. So this has to be the answer for this question number 7. Let me check the answer for this question number 7. And the answer for this question number 7 is 0 minus 3, correct? Minus 1, sorry, 1 and 0. Okay, here I made some mistake. This has to be 0. Okay, let me check this. Now this is this element. Okay, so 1 minus a 1. Okay, so 1 minus 1 has to be 0. So this has to be 0. Okay, fine. This is 0, right? And the third row is minus 9 and minus 5. Okay, let me check this also. This is also wrong. Okay, this one. So this is 0 minus 5, so it has to be minus 5. Okay, so you have to be a bit careful, right? So 0 minus 5 will be minus 5. This is minus 5. Okay, so now the answers are correct. Okay, now next one, eighth one is uh, it's a 2a plus b. Eighth one is 2a plus b. So this can be written as 2, and matrix A is what? Matrix A is 2 minus 1, 3 and then 4. Okay, plus B. Matrix B is what? It is 0, 5 and 1 and minus 2. Okay, so here you'll have to first find out this, the resultant of this. This is what? Scalar multiplication of a matrix. So 2 2s are 4, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 2 into 3 6, 2 into 4 8. Okay, now you have this 0, 5, 1 and minus 2, which has to be added to this. So on addition you will get, now see, this is 2 by 2, this is also 2 by 2. Okay, so both the orders are same, so you can proceed for addition. So 4 plus 0 will be 4, minus 2 plus 5 will be 3, and 6 plus 1 will be 7, and 8 plus minus 2 will be 6. So this has to be the answer. Okay, let us check the answer for the eighth one behind, and the answer for the eighth one is 4, 3, 7 and 6. Yeah, it's correct. Okay, so quickly let us move on to the ninth one as well. So the ninth question, question number 9, is G minus J. G minus a J. Now this will be equal to, now G matrix happens to be a column matrix. Okay, it is a column matrix 4, 1 and 3, and minus a J. J is again a column matrix 3 and 1. Okay, now here you will not be able to do this subtraction. The reason is this matrix is 3 by 2, 3 by 1 order. Okay, 3 rows and 1 column, and this matrix is 2 by 1 order. Okay, can you see these orders are not the same? So the answer will be not possible, because the orders are not the same. For addition and subtraction of 2 or more matrices, the order has to be same. That is very important. Now coming to the 10th question. 10th is C plus B plus a. Okay, so it's a C plus B plus a. So C matrix, now I am going to do something new. Instead of putting this rectangular bracket, I'll be putting a big round bracket. Okay, so C matrix will be 4, 3, 1 and minus 2. This is C, plus B matrix will be 0, 5 1 and minus 2, and your A matrix will be 2, minus 1, 3 and 4. Now this is a addition of 3 matrices. Okay, so as I told you, 2 or more matrices you can always add or subtract, provided the order has to be same. Now here you can see that the order of all the 3 matrices is same, it is 2 by 2. Okay, so the addition is possible. Now what will be the resultant of this 3 of the addition of these 3 matrices? You have to add the corresponding elements. So add this 4, 0 and 2. 4 plus 0 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. So you write a 6 over here. Then add this 3 plus 5, 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. Then 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. Then this is minus 2 plus or minus 2 will be minus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 is a 0. So the answer has to be 6, 7, 5 and 0. Let us check the answer for the 10th one, and the answer is 6750, which is absolutely correct. Okay, I just for a change, I have and now I'm started representing matrix with this round bracket, the huge ones. Okay, so either you can use a rectangular bracket or a round bracket, it's up to you. So I think that's all for today. That is video number 2. I have started with the algebra of matrices, and as you can see, I have already explained you how to add and subtract and how to do a scalar multiplication of a matrix. These 3 things we have studied in this today's video. Okay, by solving these 10 questions from exercise 1 on page number 307 of the David Rayner book. Okay, chapter number 9, the 4th edition. Okay, so I hope you must have liked this video. If you have liked this video, if you really like this video, please subscribe this video and encourage me to make more and more videos. And in the next video I'll be continuing from question number 11, and I'll be also explaining you the concepts which will be coming in the subsequent questions, that is the multiplication of the two matrices and then the inverse of a matrix, etc. Okay, so as and when the concepts will arise, I'll teach you the concepts as well as I'll be solving the questions from the exercise. Okay, so that's all for this today's video, and see you. Goodbye, take care all of you.